Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is yet another vlog that I thought of doing. It's like an impromptu video because my friends Arvan and Aviral, they're coming home. We are filming a YouTube video together which was very requested, and then I have to do a few things like collab related, and I have to go to the mall, which I think might be exciting to see. So yes, without any further ado, let's get on to the video. Before you go, please subscribe down below if you haven't already, and give this video a very big thumbs up. This is what my lunch looks like. There's tindi ki sabji, beans and aloo, dahi and 2 roti, and I'm gonna watch Mumbai Ka Nikhil. Yay! So we are ready to shoot. I'm wearing my boxers, my t-shirt. There's Arvan, there's Aviral, and there's my brother. Hello, 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 hello. Hello, hello. The video will be up by the time you see this vlog. So make sure you go down and check the link and watch the video that we are filming right now. So if you have seen the video already, Aviral is Bengali. So let us know if you want to see the same thing in Bengali. And we can do that as well. Arvan के साथ भी कर सकते हैं.
Bhopali,
Hindi. So I received these 2 packages that I'm going to unbox. मैंने Amazon से recently कुछ order किया था and I am expect. Yes, it is that. Nikal. Yes. So I recently ordered this fluid art ka thing of acrylic paints to do it. So yeah, I'm super excited. I will do it in some other vlog that you'll be seeing, or I'll make a video of something related to this only. Let me know what you want to see. But yeah, this looks exciting. And this is the next thing that I got. I'm a little unsure about what this is. Oh, I know what this is. So one of my friends, Jake, he is on YouTube as well. I think you guys probably know him. And he has recently released a song known as Isolation. And he's not selling the masks, but I really liked them and he was kind enough to send me 2 of them actually. I was not expecting to. But yeah, this is what they look like. This is super cute. I think I'll be wearing them today. Yay, super exciting. So this is what I'm wearing. I'm wearing the isolation mask and I'm wearing like a shirt dress. Sorry for the weird angles. And I'm carrying my Coach ka sling bag and my chashme, which is from like a local market. But yay, I'll also be wearing a shield for like double triple protection. But yeah, let's get started.
I'm gonna follow my way. I know your intentions. Get some attention. Don't want hesitation. You can play my game. You will see me tonight. Dancing into the club. I'm in the VIP.
Arvan, hi kar. So I'm at Infinity Mall right now. I had come here to collect some collab ka saman that was needed, but kuch confusion ho gayi and the stuff is in Infinity Malad Andheri now. So now I have to do something. Now they are getting it to Andheri. Now they are getting it to in Orbit Mall. You can see the confusion. I also did some shopping. I'll show you guys when I get home. It's very awkward to like film in public. Okay, bye. Take care of sneaky. Also, I've changed my mask because this is N95 and I don't know, I think it's in my head, but I feel more like safe wearing this. So yeah, now I'm in the basement and we are going to in Orbit Mall to collect a collab ka shoes which they could not courier for some reason. So I was like, it's okay, I will get it. Ye mera tripod. This is the collaboration thing I was talking about. By the time this vlog will be up, you will I think see it on my Instagram. But if you don't follow me there, make sure you follow. Now let's just go home. I want to go home. So I'm back home. I took a shower very quickly and now I'm gonna do like a mini haul as I promised. So I'm gonna start with Miniso first. I got this for free. They gave me a head massager thing for free because I shopped for some particular amount. I think that's why they gave it for free. This one is for 150 normally. So yeah, kholne do. This is what it looks like. ये मैं use करने वाली हूँ आज ही. So this is the first thing that I got. I wanted a candle for a very long time because I do tarot. So I bought this candle for myself. It smells amazing. I think it's for 150 or 190 rupees. Yeah, it's for 190 rupees. Scented candle hai. I got it from Miniso. It's pretty cheap because 190 rupees काफी cheap होता है. In like Bath and Body Works, you get the same thing for like way expensive. But yeah, this is what it looks like. Super duper cute. And then the final thing that I got, no, there are two more things, is this Christmas badges. I think they look pretty cute. I got this. And then I got myself a nail polish from Miniso. Okay, next we go to Mr. DIY. So I got these balloons because I have a shoot to do. So I bought these balloons matching the theme of the shoot. So one of these were for 30 rupees, 33 rupees. So yeah, I bought this thing that you can clean your ear with basically. So this is that. I have this sticker thing that I needed for my notebook to mention and write things to make my assignments and all of that look a little more attractive. And this another random sticker that I needed for another DIY thing that I will be putting up very soon. Okay, the next thing that I got are these rubber bands. They're for 25 rupees. So they're pretty cute. By the way, these stickers were for 31 rupees and 33 rupees each. Okay, then I got this notebook. This is for 50 rupees. So I got this to plan stuff and do things, and yeah, that's what. And the final thing I got are these two cards that I need to gift to someone. So yeah. Pizza! Yay! 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 1, 2. Oh. So Arvan and Aviral will go to their house now and I'll chill for a while and then sleep. So I'll wrap up this video here. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Please make sure to give this a very big thumbs up and subscribe down below if you haven't already. I'll see you guys next week.